Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be working with Wiggins Hair. They sent me a 20-inch body wave lace frontal wig. The density is 180, so it's super full. The wig comes in a plastic bag. It came with the elastic band, mink lashes, a silk scarf, like if you want to tie the lace down at night, and the wig bag.
Already know what you're thinking. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah.
So after taking the wig out of the plastic, it will have a net over it, which is protective covering for the hair. And I noticed that the lace is pre-plucked, which is amazing. Like, you literally have to do little to no plucking on this wig because it's already plucked. It's a 13x6, and on the end we have 2 combs right behind the frontal and 1 at the back, and it also has straps on the inside. The lace is also really thin, which will give you the perfect meltdown. So I'm just so excited to install this baby. Let's get right to it.
I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Damn. I really fucked up this time. I think I took it too far. I don't even tell her this shit. She been keeping it so cheap, I got to. Confession number 1, I've been fucking hoes on the road after shows, being bold when I know there's a good girl at home, thinking that I'm faithful, but really I'm unstable with all these damn relations, and she thinks I'm alone. But soon as the FaceTime ends, I just call somebody over to replace you, just before done. But to be honest, girl, I'm tired of doing wrong and fucking up my home, so I put it in a song. And I gotta tell you how I feel. Don't even matter if I risk it all. It's been weighing heavy on my heart. Gotta get it off, girl. And I gotta say what's on my mind. No, you can't believe it's coming from my lips, but it's better me than some other bitch. These are my confessions.
Like, are you serious right now? Are you fucking kidding me? Like, you've been doing you. You've been fucking bitches. Been coming back and fucking me. Them bitches ain't me. Like what the fuck? Like, you think that shit cute? You been singing and doing you? Like, what else you gotta say?
I just been living a lie. It's been a couple of times. No, it ain't right. Conscious eating at my mind. Been tossing and turning all night, killing the vibe. You put me on pedestals when everyone said let me go. Stood your ground and held me close. I hate to have to tell you so, that I ain't perfect, but you ain't deserve it. It wasn't worth it. She was just thirsty. Started conversing, I could've swerved it. The room that I purchased, she left the person, came back reversed it. 2 times no purpose. Now she's late, I'm nervous. She's for certain. I gotta tell you how I feel. Don't even matter if I risk it all. It's been weighing heavy on my heart. Gotta get it off, girl. I gotta say what's on my mind. No, you can't believe it's coming from my lips, but it's better me than some other bitch. These are my confessions.
Like, really? And honestly, I do want to leave you, but how can I leave my first love? The fact that I want to stay made me want to leave. I want to leave made me want to stay. Like, just really get right before you get left. Everybody telling me to leave and I deserve better, but I know you're better for me. So just be the nigga I know you are. Just leave that shit in the past, like.
My house ain't a home.
Just leave it in the past, like. I know you.
Hey, I know I usually don't just express myself and open up to you, but I gotta right my wrongs. So this for you. Yeah, hey. Hey, I know you fed up, shit, but you still keep your head up. Praying we get better, we just need a leg up. Ay, get it back together, you know time is precious, and I don't wanna waste that. Another girl can't replace that. Trying to tell you that with you is where I'm safe at. Righting all my wrongs, can't erase that. Gotta man up and face that. Gotta stand up and take back. The one I love the most, can't fake that. Ay, even when I'm ghosted, still play back. Yeah, over in my head, know you thinking I don't reminisce, but tell me how you say that. When I've been going crazy, ay, thinking about you, baby. Yeah, wondering if you hate me for all the times I was shady. Yeah. Saw you got another man, no face, no case. Why you do that? Knowing that I see your every movement. Since you say you done, you gotta prove it. Gonna have your fun, but it's useless. Cause I know you can never get over me, and you gon' come back to where you're supposed to be. I still feel like it's hope for me. I just want you to notice me, yeah. Hey, I wanna get it back, Hey, can we get it back, Can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back, Hey, can we get it back, Hey, I wanna get it back, And I need you to know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back, Hey, I wanna get it back, Can we get it back? Hey, listen, can we get it back, yeah? Hey, can we backtrack, yeah, to the beginning of the past before we got where we at, yeah. Back when we were still attached, yeah. Now we disconnected like your service changed your number, it's a wrap. Now I don't know where you at, can't find you on the map, yeah. Hey, gotta face the facts, yeah. You're moving on, but I still can't deal with that. I've been driving through the city, babe, all night, baby. You should fuck with me, outside. Please don't tell me that you're busy, nah. Make time, even if it's for a minute, that's all I need, really. I can't let you just forget me. Fuck them niggas being friendly. They been plotting on our ending since we finished. Don't be blind to it. Nah, don't let your pride do it. Hey, I'm trying to let you know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. And I need you to know I wanna get it back. Hey, can we get it back? Hey, I wanna get it back. Get it back. Hey, so I'm righting my wrongs. Yeah, gotta get it back. Yeah, gotta get it back. Yeah. Yeah. Slow this shit down. You might be young, but you ready for love. You ready to fuck. Fresh out the shower, still covered in suds. No need to clean up. I want you face down, ass up. I'm tryna get rough. Heard what you said, so I had to push up to see if it's fluff, see if it's real. She on the pill, I'm on the weed. We fuck to the beat. Pretty Ricky singing, grind on me. I give her that pleasure, she loving it deep. Hopped off the bed cause we fucked up the sheets. Kitchen table, give me something to eat. Serve it to me, baby, bon appetit. You the beauty, baby, bring her the beach. It ain't nothing but a number. You old enough, so show me what you got inside your mind. It ain't nothing but a number. Don't hold me up. Show me what you got between your thighs. It ain't nothing but a number. nothing but a number, baby. Let me pull up on you, baby. We can do what you wanna, babe. I can put it all on you, baby. I know that you wanna be down, just getting out of the house. And you like them niggas that sang to it. Chris Breezy, I'm taking you down, taking you down. That's what you do for me. Girl, you a fool for me, but you still come through for me. Hold it down now. Poke it out now. It ain't nothing but a number. We can count. It ain't nothing but a number. You old enough, so show me what you got inside your mind. It ain't nothing but a number. Don't hold me up. Show me what you got between your thighs. It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but It ain't nothing but a number.
Believe that.
Stop by, is it alright? You know I'm on my way. Hit the porch line when I'm outside. Bring it in the lingerie. Don't turn me down. Just say that it's okay, cause you know what I need from you. Can I pull up on ya? Can we get comfortable? You got that butter love, that 90s vibe, I know that I want you, that I have you. Gonna tell ya how much I love you. Stop playing, pulling up to your location. Waiting, pull up, stop by, pull up, see you, pull up, can I pull up, just wanna pull up, fuck with you, pull up, so can I pull up, can I pull up, can I pull up, stop by, pull up, see you, pull up, can I pull up, just wanna pull up, fuck with you, pull up, so can I pull up, be with you. Girl, don't keep me waiting, baby girl, I'm saying I've been way too patient. Can we start your making? I just got up on your exit. Know you're receiving my message. I'm pulling up, start undressing. You know you only stop flexing. All of that frontin' and teasing. Tell me, baby, what's the reason? You got the shit that I'm needing, and I've been thinking. Can I pull up? Can I pull up? Stop by, pull up, see you, pull up. Can I pull up? Pull up, pull up, pull up. Can I pull up? Pull up, pull up, see you, pull up. Can I pull up? Pull up, fuck with you, pull up. So can I pull up? Can I pull up? Can I pull up? Stop by, pull up, see you, pull up. Can I pull up? Just wanna pull up, fuck with you, pull up. So can I pull up? Can I pull up? Can I pull up? Stop by, pull up, see you, pull up. Can I pull up? Just wanna pull up, fuck with you, pull up. So can I pull up? Be with you. Girl, don't keep me waiting. Girl, don't keep me waiting. Ay, ready or not, here I come. You can't hide, bet I found your love. Just tell me when, and I pull up. Make you pull them down, then I beat it up. No talk, use your mouth just to eat it up. Slipping fall out and pussy leaking, yo. She got that, I just wanna dive in a deeper way. Both legs in a scar like an eagle, yo. Talk that shit that you was talking. Good dick, she don't get that often. I know you got faith in me, I got that B.I.G. love when you call me Big Papa. Take my time, break you off proper. Give you a dose just like the doctor. The last nigga was an imposter. Now you got the real dun-dada, yeah. Tell me, have you ever made love to a nigga like me? Shine, 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 you been fucking with them lames, I see. And you ain't need to change your lane. Bring you up to my speed. I'm gonna find you and make you love me. I'ma make you do it right by a nigga. I'ma make you catch flight, spend the night for a nigga. Cut your boyfriend off on sight for a nigga. And you won't even think twice for a nigga. Hop inside the whip and then we swerve off. Pull them panties to the side. She ain't gotta take her skirt off. And she know to keep her phone turned off. If they ask, she gon' tell them no service. Please don't keep a nigga waiting. I want it right now. Will your ass stop playing? Can we get past conversation? Say you got that good, I'ma need validation. Oh, nah, nah, nah. That's the way that it feels when you giving me chills. Ooh, la, la, la. Got my tongue on your lips, you're the ones with your hips. And I eat it like an edible. I know you heard my song, so you know a nigga credible. Tryna put that